Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start our next topic, which is factorization. Here is the definition of factors. Factors of an expression are the expressions whose product is the given expression. Next is the definition of factorization or factorizing. Starting from here, the process of expressing the given expressions as a product of its factors is called factorization, or you can say that factorizing. Students, today we are going to start our first type of factorization, which is Ka plus Kb plus Kc. This is the most simplest form of factorization. In this type, we will only take common from the given expression. One thing remember, that we can take common of numbers as well as of variables, but remember that which term we are going to take as common must be in the given terms of expressions. Let's start our exercise number 6.2. Here is our exercise number 6.2. Our question statement is factorize the following. Here is our question number 2, xy plus xz. In both terms we have x common, because here you can see that we have xy and here we have xz, so we will take x common from both terms. Let's start the solution. We will write by taking x as common. When we take x common, we left in first term y, plus will write as it is, and in second term we have left z, so x into y plus z is our answer. Here is our third question, 6ab minus 14ac. Now students, first we will look at the numbers which have given to us 6 and 14. As you can say that if there is any table having 6 and 14, yes, there is a table of 2 in which we have 6 and we have 14. So we will take 2 common. And now going towards the variables, here we have AB and here we have AC. As you can see that in both terms we have A common, so we will take 2a common from both terms. We will write by taking 2a as common. When we take common 2a, we will write outside the bracket. Within the bracket we have left, in first term we have left 3b, minus will write as it is, and in second term we have left 7c. So this is our answer, 2a into 3b minus 7c. Here is our question number 4, 3m cube np minus 6m square n. In both terms we have common 3, because in table of 3 we can get 3 as well as of 6. So 3 common, and here we have m cube and here we have m square. Or as you can see that m square is common in both terms, so m square will also take as common. Now next is n. N is present in first as well as in second term, so n is also take as common. So we will take 3m square n as common. So after taking common, we have left mp from first term, minus will write as it is, and 2n from the second term. So our answer is 3m square n into mp minus 2n, which is our answer. Now students, here is our question number 6, 17x square y square minus 51. From both terms we will take 17 as common, because in first term we have variables but in second term we don't have variables, so we will take 17 as common. And when we take common, we will write outside the bracket, and within a bracket we have left x square y square from the first term, minus will write as it is, and when we divide 51 and 17 we got 3. So our answer is 17 into x square y square minus 3. Here is our question number 7, 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x. From the given expression there are 3 terms. We will take x common, because in numbers we have 4, 3 and 2, which is not common in all terms, so we will take x as common. When we take x common, we will write a statement by taking x as common. X will write as it is, and within bracket we have left 4x square plus 3x plus 2. This is our answer. Now here is our question number 9, x cube y minus x square y plus xy square. From the given expression we will take xy as common, so we will write by taking xy as common, xy outside the bracket, and within bracket we have x square minus x plus y. This is our. Now students, here is our question number 10, 7x4 minus 14x square y plus 21xy cube. From the three terms, we will take 7x as common. So we will write by taking 7x as common. 7x will write out of the bracket, and within a bracket we will write x cube from first term, minus will write as it is 2xy from second term, and plus will write as it is 3y cube from the third term. So this is our answer. Here is our question number 12. 4x cube y square minus 8xy plus 4xy cube. From these three terms, we will take 4xy common. So we will write by taking 4xy as common. We will write 4xy here, and within a bracket we will write x square y minus 2 plus y square. This is our answer. Here is our question number 13. xy4 minus 3xy cube minus 6xy square. From these three terms, we will take xy square as common. So we will write by taking xy square as common. We will write a common term here, and within a bracket we will write y square minus 3y minus 6. This is our answer. Now here is our question number 15. 77 x square y minus 33 xy square minus 55 x square y square. From these three terms, we will take 11xy as common. So we will write by taking 11xy as common. We will write common term here, 11xy into 7x minus 3y minus 5xy. This is our answer. Now students, here is our question number 16. 5x5 plus 10x4 plus 15x cube. From these three terms, we will take 5x cube as common. So we will write by taking 5x cube as common. We will write common term here, 5x cube, and within a bracket we will write the terms x square minus 2x plus 3. So this is our answer. I hope students you understand all this question. Do practice of the question. Take care.